YouTube? It's your boy JD coming at you with another review, and today we're going to be talking about potentially the last Off-White Nike sneaker from the 10 collection, and that is the Off-White Air Max 90 in this black and white colorway. So I know I just posted a few days ago a review of the Desert Ore version of this sneaker. I would have done both these sneakers in the same video. However, at the time that I filmed that video, I didn't actually know that I was able to get this pair. So that is why there are two separate videos. Sorry guys. I know it's probably gonna sound very repetitive, this video, but I had to do two separate videos for these. So actually a friend of mine was able to win a raffle for these. I do enter my friends, my girlfriend, basically anybody who knows me, my coworkers. I enter them in raffles. So basically, if you know me, I apologize for all the spam that your email inboxes have been receiving from sneaker stores. But one of my friends was able to hit on the raffle and I was able to secure this pair. So Virgil himself has said that he basically wanted to see every pair from that original 10 done in a black and white colorway. And if you look at a lot of the actual Off-White sneakers, so not the Nike Off-White, but the actual Off-White sneakers like the Vulcan, for example, a lot of those shoes have this kind of black and white contrast to them. So it seems to be a very Off-White type of aesthetic to have black and white on a sneaker. And that's why this year, last year, we were able to see pretty much every version of the original 10 come out in this black and white colorway as well. So like the other pairs in the collection, this sneaker also has that inside out deconstructed kind of unfinished look that Virgil has really made popular, and now pretty much every other sneaker brand is releasing pairs in that deconstructed finish as well. So credit to Virgil for starting that vibe. This pair released alongside that Desert Ore pair, which I have right here, and definitely of the two of them, I much rather prefer this one. It's just a bit more interesting. I really like this colorway. I've never seen this colorway on a sneaker before, this beige and orange, but this video is about this pair, and I'm not really sure about it. I personally think that it kind of looks like a GR pair, especially when you have these black laces on it. It just doesn't look all that special to me. Even on the medial side where you see the text looks very faded. You can kind of barely see it. You can just see it a little bit here on top of the swoosh, but it just, from afar, it just doesn't look all that special to me. And there have been a lot of black sneakers in this collection that have dropped recently, and of them, easily the best one and my favorite would have to be these right here, the Off-White Blazer in the black and white. And the reason I love this pair so much, and by the way, this is probably the most worn Off-White sneaker that I own. I wear this a ton, like maybe twice a week even. As you can see, the swoosh now is quite dirty. The sneaker is quite dirty. I need to clean this thing. But the reason why I like this one so much is just it's because it's not just black and white. You can see there's gray hits all over the shoe that just really kind of adds to it and makes it very unique looking. And this shoe is a real head turner. I love wearing these and it's very versatile. However, this one is just basically black all over. And what I like so much about the Off-White Air Max 90 is that exposed stitching that you see all over the shoe. And because this sneaker is just basically completely blacked out, you don't really even see much of that exposed stitching, especially from afar. You just don't see it. The quality on the sneaker though, of course, is just excellent. You have that nice suede that goes all over the shoe, and the suede feels quite high quality. With all the Off-White sneakers, the quality has been great up until this point. I've had no complaints with the quality of any of those. I think with this sneaker, you just absolutely have to wear it with the white laces. It just gives it a completely different look. And I'm gonna put them on right now just to give you guys that look. And there you go guys, I added the white laces, and as you can see, it adds a whole different look to the shoe. That white lace contrasts really nice with the rest of the shoe, and to me, if the shoe was maybe a 5 out of 10 before, it's probably at least a 7 now or an 8. The white laces really adds a lot to the shoe, and I think Virgil meant for the sneaker to be worn this way. He has said himself he loves the contrast between white and black, and I think the shoes are meant to be worn with the white laces. On the white laces, the word shoelaces is written in that orange font, and you can also see kind of hits of orange on the tongue of the shoe. And you also have this signature Off-White tab, which is done in that orange color as well. So I'm lucky to have not only these two, but also the OG pair of the Air Max 90 Off-White, which I showed in my last video. So this is the OG pair, and as you can see, out of the three of them, I definitely would go with the OGs. Like, the OGs gotta be a classic. I thought it was very underrated from the original 10. I love wearing this, so definitely the best for me. This Desert Ore pair would be in second, and finally the black pair in third. My friend actually didn't even win this in my size. He entered the raffle in a different size, unfortunately, so I can't really give you guys an on-feet look. So of course I won't be keeping these. I will be selling these and hopefully use that to buy sneakers that I want in the future. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content, drop a like and subscribe for more. Shout out to all my subscribers. Special shout out to DJ Ansari, one of my OG subscribers, and thank you for all the love and support. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.